Mom
Well, I thought
shocked to
something was
find
going on
police
here
at
in the house,
house.
but it
Playing
wasn't.
basketball with her sons. Two North
Been out
Carolina
here
police
playing
officers
basketball
are
in
being
front of
hailed
my
as
house.
all-stars for playing an impromptu game of basketball with some local boys, though the sight of a squad car initially gave the kids' mom a scare. On July 21st, Jameka Wilcots said her heart dropped when she saw police outside of her home, according to Yahoo Lifestyle. Wilcots quickly realized all was well, however, with two officers from the High Point Police Department simply shooting hoops with her young sons in the family's driveway. According to the outlet, the law enforcement officials had completed a traffic stop nearby and noticed Wilcots' children, Jeremyah, 15, and Jeremyah, 12, playing ball. Learning that the youngsters were playing a game of 21, the police officers asked if they could join, and the boys said yes. Military dad surprises his kids at summer camp bonfire. Well, I thought something was going on here at the house, but it wasn't. They're out here playing basketball in front of my house. A surprised Wilcots narrated video footage of the scene that she filmed from her car. The 3-minute clip that has since been viewed over 14,000 times on Facebook. It's crazy, people keep slowing down. I guess they're surprised to see the police playing with some children, the parent continued. I was surprised too. Social media commenters declared the summertime side as awesome, while Wilcots expressed her gratitude to the policemen for the community.
And it's crazy, people keep slowing down. I guess they're surprised to see the police playing with some children. I was surprised too when I pulled up to see my children out here. I thought something was wrong.